Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Janvi Behra, and today we are going to dive into the world of informal English and explore how to use wanna and gonna like a native speaker. These two expressions are super common in daily conversation, but it's essential to know when and how to use them correctly. So, if you are interested in this video, then watch this till the end. So first, let's learn how to use wanna. Wanna is short for want to. Want to. We use it to talk about things we desire or wish to do. For example, I wanna go to the beach. I wanna go to the beach. I wanna go to South Korea. I wanna go to South Korea. By the way, comment down below. Do you also wanna go to South Korea? We wanna learn how to dance. We wanna learn how to dance. Do you wanna hang out this weekend? Do you wanna hang out this weekend? And that's how we use wanna. But when we use he, she or it, we don't say wanna, we say wants to. For example, he wants to play football. He wants to play football. She wants to be a K-pop idol. She wants to be a K-pop idol. And let's learn when not to use wanna. We don't use wanna in formal situations like job interviews, professional emails, and meetings. Instead, we say want to. For example, I want to apply for the job. I want to apply for the job. I want to clarify some points. I want to clarify some points. And that's how we use wanna in our daily conversation. Let's move on to gonna. How to use gonna. Gonna is short for going to. Going to. We use it to talk about things we are planning to do. For example, I'm gonna eat dinner at 7 p.m. I'm gonna eat dinner at 7 p.m. You gonna love this movie. You are gonna love this movie called Romeo and Juliet. We are gonna hang out this weekend. We are gonna hang out this weekend. They are gonna visit their grandparents. They are gonna visit their grandparents. And that's how we use gonna. But when we use he, she or it, we don't say gonna. We use is gonna. For example, he's gonna be late. He's gonna be late. She's gonna sing at the concert. She's gonna sing at the concert. And let's learn when not to use gonna. As same as wanna, we don't use gonna in formal situations like job interviews, professional emails, and meetings. Instead, we use going to. For example, I am going to attend the meeting. I am going to attend the meeting. I am going to attend the meeting. And that's how we use wanna and gonna in our daily conversation. And practice wanna and gonna in your daily conversation so you will sound like a native speaker and you will build your confidence in spoken English. And keep learning, do hard work, and Be consistent and you will become fluent in this language in no time. So I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.